Twist drill are not easy to choose. What is the difference between the 118, approximately 140 of the drill apex angle? After reading it, you will know more about the drill bit. 118 drill bits are most common in everyday machining. Generally, the material of the drill bit is high-speed steel. We often use it to machine materials such as aluminum, ordinary carbon steel, etc. Fast feed is required when processing aluminum parts. Cutting forces at small angles. It will spread to the left and right sides, and it will be easy to cut down. Easy centering. Drill bits with a large chip top angle are thinner and wider. However, it is easy to burr after drilling. Large drill top angle, such as 135 approximately 140 drill bit. The material is cemented carbide. Chip breaking and removal are better, but the centering ability is poor. It is suitable for processing soft and brittle materials.